Welcome to Road Warriors, your go-to source for the latest in cutting-edge technology and defense innovations. Today, we take a deep dive into one of the most significant advancements in modern warfare, the 2025 W93 Nuclear Warhead. This powerful new warhead is a crucial step in modernizing America's nuclear arsenal, ensuring its strategic deterrence remains strong in an ever-changing world. The W93 is a next-generation nuclear warhead designed for America's ballistic missile submarines. It is being developed to replace older warheads like the W76 and W88, which have been in service for decades. Unlike its predecessors, the W93 incorporates modern technology, improved materials, and enhanced safety measures, making it more reliable and adaptable for future defense needs. With a focus on long-term sustainability, this warhead is set to play a key role in maintaining America's military strength for years to come. One of the W93's biggest advantages is its seamless integration with the Trident II D5 ballistic missile system, which serves as the backbone of America's sea-based nuclear deterrent. This warhead is designed for maximum precision, ensuring effective strikes with minimal collateral damage. Advanced safety mechanisms are built in to prevent unauthorized use, making it one of the most secure nuclear weapons ever developed. Additionally, the W93 is designed with future adaptability in mind, allowing upgrades without a complete redesign. As global security challenges continue to evolve, the W93 is a critical component of America's nuclear strategy. By investing in this warhead, the United States is reinforcing its second strike capability and ensuring its deterrence remains strong in an unpredictable world. Full deployment is expected within the next decade, further strengthening America's military dominance and commitment to global security. Stay tuned to Road Warriors for more updates on the latest defense technologies shaping the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.